Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control for your DREAME 43Q100 TV. So first of all, make sure that both your TV and your smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, check the Wi-Fi menu in the quick settings and make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as you are on your smartphone. So on your smartphone, check the quick settings menu and check which Wi-Fi network you are connected to. And if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then open the Google Home application that you used to set up your TV. And if you didn't use Google Home application to set up your TV, then you can install it from App Store if you're using iPhone, or if you are using an Android device, then either find it as one of the pre-installed application on your smartphone or download it from Google Play Store. And once you open this application, once again, if you used it to set up your TV, you'll be able to find your TV in here. But if you didn't, you can add your TV by tapping the plus icon, selecting device, and then select search for device and let your smartphone find your TV around. However, if you did set up your TV with a smartphone and go to all devices menu, then scroll to the very bottom of this list, select your TV right here, select remote, and then enter the code that you see on your TV screen on your smartphone. And tap pair, and then you'll be able to use your smartphone as a remote control for your TV. As you can see here, we have the D-pad, the home button, the volume controls, voice assistant, mute and mute button, and also the power button at the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.